Welcome back to our channel. We're exploring an intriguing aspect of 3D printing, how the material you choose can affect the time it takes to print an object. Let's dive in. The time it takes to 3D print an object can vary significantly based on the material used, as well as other factors like the type of 3D printer, layer height, and print speed. Let's take a closer look at some common 3D printing materials and how they influence print times. PLA, or polylactic acid, is renowned for its fast print speed, making it a favored choice among 3D printing enthusiasts. This material is particularly easy to print with, exhibiting minimal warping issues, which contributes to its popularity in prototyping. ABS, or acrylonitrile styrene, is a material characterized by its moderate print speed and notable strength. Slightly flexible, ABS is a robust choice for creating durable, functional parts and end-use products. However, it is more prone to warping and thus requires a heated bed during the printing process to maintain optimal quality. Despite this extra step, ABS remains a popular choice for applications needing sturdy and reliable components.